Well, quick word on practice. You know, today is a Sunday, the markets are closed, you can't trade, but it doesn't mean you can't improve your trading on the weekend. I'm here on a site called Trading Terminal. This is a platform I use to help me practice my trading. They have this great replay and an option here that allows me to come in here and replay trades from earlier in the week, earlier in the year, whenever I want. Essentially what I do is I have a list of tickers I go through that I was trading in that week, and I look at them and I replay those trades, and I do them over and over again, or I look for new trades that I didn't see before. So what I've done here is I have these two tickers up, Tesla and SMCI. Both these on Friday were setting out for me for what I call the pre-market break. So you see they've both kind of gapped up, and they're both has a clear area of resistance, you know, with Tesla here at around 371 and SMCI here at around just under 470 or 47 at about 46 million. And so what I do is I'm going to start these. I'll just hit play here, and I'm going to watch, and we're going to see when would I know that I should be taking these trades. Like, hey, I hit that one, I just hit in the trade there because it broke through that. I feel like I was late there, and if I go back, I was too. I wasn't crook enough on that one, and I would see, I needed to be quicker there. But this practice allows me to do that and think about what I need to do. And you see here, SNCI, it didn't react at all how I thought it would for my pre-market break. It didn't come up towards the level of fact it's selling off you, and maybe there's a trade in the opposite direction. But by going over the weekend and replaying these things over and over again, I can see what actually happens, and I can look for my setup and practice them on the weekend. And that's, the real difference between a good trader, a great trader, and, somebody who's not going to make it. You have to put in the work even when the market's not open. And there's tops from this one. This one, Trading Criminal does it. There's another one, Trading Sim has a great simulator. There are lots of resources out there where you can replay the market on the weekend, in the evening, in the morning, whenever you want to get that practice done.